Hello, I'm Officer Judy Hops. How to become a security guard. A security guard is a person employed by a government or private party to protect the employing party's assets from a variety of hazards such as waste, damaged property, unsafe worker behavior, criminal activity such as theft, etc. by enforcing preventative measures. They can do this by maintaining a high-visibility presence to deter illegal and inappropriate actions, looking for signs of crime or other hazards such as a fire, taking action to minimize damage such as warning and escorting trespassers off property, and reporting any incidents to their clients and emergency services such as the police or paramedics, as appropriate. For example, do you know Benjamin Clawhauser? He is a secretary and dispatcher. He is a bubbly, friendly cheetah that has lots of enthusiasm, especially for his idol, Gazelle, and also, perhaps to a lesser extent, his job. Although security officers differ from police officers, military personnel, federal agents, officers, and senior management personnel. Similarly, Chief Bogo is the chief of police of the Zootopia Police Department. Bogo, initially portrayed as the antagonist of the film, later proves to be a strong ally to Judy in times of trouble. Training requirements for the private security industry have evolved over time. For many years security officers were poorly chosen and poorly trained, if at all, partly because security companies who contracted with clients in private industry were paid very little for their security services. Security guards also require qualification that will vary from country to country. Different requirements have to be completed before applying for this job. Unlike the security guards, security personnel derive their powers from state or provincial laws, which allow them a contractual arrangement with clients that give them agent of the owner powers. As soon as Nick Wilde is an officer of the Zootopia Police Department. He is a sly, shifty fox who since childhood has always wanted to be accepted. So we can therefore find that security police and security guards can be qualified all across the country, such as in hotels, airports, residences, etc. Like, comment, and subscribe now.